Are your outfits doing too much? Are my outfits doing too much? Are simple outfits better than over the top? Let's decide today. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. Let's do it. We're gonna start with a weekend look. I categorized like 5 different outfits for occasions we're gonna be styling. So we have like a base point of what works better where. A weekend outfit, this could be, I just styled this in a different video and I think it's so cute, but I try to come up with like different outfits each time. So let's start simple weekend look, and everything is summer, okay? Because it's summer. Okay, I'm gonna really have to reevaluate my life because this to me is a simple look. I mean, it's a sundress and sneakers. I think this counts as simple. Like, it's got a crazy pattern, but I don't think simple necessarily has to mean boring. Oh, what do we think? Does simple mean messy hair? Okay, so I feel like, because I'm not very simple, I would add a pop of color red bag, or a basket bag. Like, do I have a normal purse? I just have my black little purse. I think this one would match better. That's definitely a bit more simple. Like, nothing crazy. We'll add the sunglasses. Here's look number 1. A weekend out in the summer, simply. I am recording, I always do that. Let's do too much. I have a too much jean. Maybe you have it too. But does it necessarily mean that it always looks better? Debatable. I haven't decided if every one of these looks is gonna be like starting with the same base and just styling them different. If I plan my videos too much, I become a robot. I don't know if you guys like robots, but what am I saying? Okay, so we're already gonna do too much and add a cowboy boot. I think it already looks better. We can also do the like trendy vintage scarf look, and I like having all the different colors. I feel like this would be like a very polarizing thing though, that you either love or you hate. Chokity choke. Either basket. I think the green is fun with this dress on paper, but like the chain is too thick and it's throwing me off because we're going for kind of like 70s cottage core-esque. And then I added obviously my doing too much sunglasses. So what do we think? Which way do you like it styled better? I'm gonna be so honest, like if I'm styling it for a video, this is what I would put on. For TikTok, for Instagram, this performs better than that first outfit, but that first outfit, I wore that yesterday to Jimmy John's. I literally am a hypocrite, but my lighting gets so horrible when I put these on. I would wear the cowboy boots with this dress though, like just as is. Here's a little weekend look. Do is like a summer date night. I don't know what this means though, because I'm telling you, I think my boyfriend and I were dating for like 2 years. Granted, we were in high school before we like went to a sit-down restaurant together. I'd almost always rather eat in the car where I can be my true self. What the heck is a date night? Oh, I can do a date night. I can do it. This is supposed to be my simple. I'm truly always doing too much. I think this is simple. Like we've got some pattern in the top, but it doesn't feel like pattern mixing just because it's like a lace. Like, do we count lace as pattern mixing? And then I was gonna do black boots. I won't grab things with my toes for the sake of the video, but because it's summer, I'm just gonna do a little kitten heel. I could even do the ballet flat, but the kitten heel feels a little bit more toned down. And then because I'm trying not to be too over the top, we'll do this little purse. I think that this is such a pretty feminine top or outfit. This top is so beautiful. It's from the brand Fabry. Any off the shoulder top is just good. I like have an issue with just not taking the tags off things, so ignore that. I'll get to it later. There's no time right now. This is such a beautiful outfit and I like want to go somewhere and wear this because I'm just obsessed with it. I don't know if we can top this outfit. We don't need to do too much for a date night. Oh, this is so beautiful. Who's ready to do too much? I feel like this outfit video really stemmed also from just like people getting mad that I don't accessorize. I see those comments a lot. I just don't always feel like it needs it. And like, I think my least favorite trait in a person is being defensive, and I'm being defensive right now, so shut up. Shut up, cut it all out. Oh, this top almost feels like less, but it's also got polka dots on it. If you could see a little bit closer, polka dots, polka dots. So it felt like a little kooky to me. Let's keep going. But like maybe I'm not good at accessorizing. I like would just want to put the kitten heel on with this. Let's add pop a color shoe. Oh, that's just like, are we intentionally making the outfit bad? Is that just intentionally making the outfit bad, or is it kind of good? I think we got to do pop a color shoe and bag. and it'll work. I mean, these shoes are so cute. Okay, I really like this. And yes, like I could add a necklace to this, and I'm eyeing one that would work in this color scheme, but sometimes I just think like a bare chest is really pretty, and this is like a super low cut top, and I think it just looks pretty with nothing. Maybe if I had like a really dainty necklace, I would put that on, but I like it without. This top is from Revolve, thrifted, and then this I got secondhand, but it's stowed. I think the colors work really well together. I like the black, blue, I like the double polka dots. Doing a lot more, but I still think it's really beautiful. Not too much, but which do you prefer? I told you I don't cut the tags off my clothes. I don't know why. I don't feel like it yet, okay? I have to go find scissors? Like, come on, give me a break. There's gonna be a comment about me being so lazy, but I am lazy. A girls' night out. Girls' night out, like, I'm gonna be a freak with my outfit. Not that, like, my boyfriend cares at all, but he doesn't match my vibe with being a freak. He's a different kind of freak. My girlfriends are matching the vibe of being a freak, and if they're not, they're going to accept it and love it. Let's do girls' night out. Simple first, though. Maybe I'm not in the mood to go out. I don't know why I'd wear a simple outfit girls' night out. Thought this Papa Green would be fun, but now it's like looking a little too corporate with the pinstripe pants. And this is supposed to be simple, and like this doesn't feel simple. I only know how to dress like stupid. I don't know how to dress normal. Jeans and a cute top, such a staple, and especially like a bustier or like a corseted top. This one weirder because the straps, but like telling you guys, I just don't have normal things. These jeans are Mousy Vintage. They're seriously so beautiful and such a good like going out. Just with the kitten heels, like super cute. You know, the simple in me would be like, okay, let's grab the black bag, but I just think that makes the outfit really boring. This was my like go-to bag though when I would go like to a bar and stuff. But like, I don't think simple necessarily means you can't have any color. So I am gonna opt for this bag. I think it matches the color scheme. America, red, white, and blue, like whatever. And we still have like a black shoe. We don't have like a super crazy thing. It's like, we're crazy, we're wearing a red purse. In reality, this is nothing. We haven't seen anything yet. Here's my simple girls' night out outfit. And of course I would wear this. It's stupidly cute. Like all these outfits, I like both. I'm trying to do well on both, but how would I wear this as a too much jean? Let's do it. If it's a girls' night out, I'm most definitely wearing a printed pair of pants. And I think that these heels go so well with it. Girls' night outs now are just going to like a sit-down dinner. So I don't know how well these heels would withstand like going to the bars, but honestly, I'm young. I could do it. I know that I just said I was young and people are gonna be like, she thinks she's young, she's 25. But then if I said I was old, people would be like, she thinks she's old, she's 25. So you can't win as a 25-year-old woman. You guys are worried about the heels. I'm worried about a nip slip. Like, these are breastfeeding. I feel so much more myself with those little tweaks. Like, I want to add, you know, something else. We could add a necklace. I think the necklace would go good with this, go well with this color scheme we've got going on. I don't necessarily think we need it, but I'm trying to be too much. I think it's beautiful, actually. Do we want my hair up then? And then I think the more muted tone, just because you could see we have got all the like, we've got all the muted tones in this outfit. Here is girls' night out being me. What's next? I can't remember. 2 more scenarios. There's a toddler who needs me at home. We'll be back another day to finish this video. I literally get 2-hour blocks work and then I gotta go home. It's the next day, or maybe it's 2 days. I have no concept of time. I wanted to show a simple workwear outfit. I really rarely show like work appropriate outfits on my channel because I don't go to an office job and I never have dressed for the office, so I just really don't know. You're supposed to dress. Everywhere I've worked was really casual, but I think that this is something I would wear if maybe I wanted to dress up a little bit more. A day at the office, it's very simple, but it's still like trendy and so cute. We have trousers, pinstripe trousers that I think would be such a staple in like my office attire wardrobe. I think dressing for the office now is really fun and can be a bit more trendy just because like the office siren is a cool trend, and just like midi skirts and like suit, tailored little suit button-up jackets or suit pants, suit skirt, you know, like little pumps are so in. It's cool to dress office wear now, which is fun. Just to make it a bit more me and like, you know, very comfy. I think that this is definitely something that I would wear, and I think it's adorable. So we've got to make it a little bit more extra now. Let's do it. I don't know if I just want to accessorize the outfit or if I want to like change out the pants for a skirt or change out the top for something. In the last styling, I was gonna add a belt, but I was like, if I'm just being simple, I probably wouldn't. If I'm really taking the time, I mean, even then I was like taking the time to get dressed. I don't know. Just felt like the outfit didn't need a belt. And I think that's the thing with like being a little bit extra with your outfits is you're adding things that your outfit like definitely did not need. Before it was totally fine without a belt, but like now we're gonna take that extra minute and add a belt, even if only you sometimes see it, because that's worth it in an extra world. Okay, and then like purse, you know, you would think to just do metallic, but I actually despise matching my shoes. I always say that, but I do. Like a big bag is practical, but like I'm an extra woman. Like the green bag is kind of fun and like the chain of it still matches the shoe, but in a less matchy way of just like adding another, you know, metallic item. These sleeves are so extra. This outfit, I feel like if you go into the office and there's other like chronically online people or just other people your age, they'd be like, yeah, she's a little fashion girly. Like whether it looks good is debatable, but she's definitely into, you know, playing with her clothes. I feel like I'd be carrying 2 bags. You've got to like bring your laptop and stuff into work, me cosplaying. Like maybe we would do like the double bag, and I like the double bag. I wish I had my little LL Bean purse, or honestly my diaper bag would look really good with it, but maybe like this is how I'd walk into the office, and then if I was like going to lunch or something, you know, drinks after, I would want to have my little bag. We're being extra so I can carry 2 bags. That's like a trend right now. It's a very chronically online thing for a person to do, but I think that this is such a fun outfit as well. But which do you prefer? I want to do a wedding look, and I'm actually gonna steam a dress right now so it looks better. So give me a minute. When this dress is steamed, it's literally so beautiful. Like I would get married in this dress if I was ever gonna get married. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. So if we're gonna go simple, we don't wanna be too kooky crazy. Should we just do little black accessories just to make it more fancy? I think black is good. I think normally I would do like a lighter shoe accessory, but black is a very like safe and more formal option. And these are pretty formal. I don't think heel height necessarily means like formality. So I don't think wearing a kitten heel means like you're not dressed up enough. Probably do this, and I think I do my hair up. Honestly, it just looks a little fancier sometimes. And I like my hair up with, you know, this big open back. Obviously, we're not gonna have like a good updo right now. You know, imagine it's like curled and pretty and then it's up, not just like thrown up like this. But here is the first outfit, little wedding guest look, number 1. Very simple and elegant, but pretty. Let's accessorize this in a little bit of an extra way. Now, with a wedding guest outfit, you're not gonna be like too kooky crazy, but we can still have fun. Like you don't have to be boring. And I don't even think that first outfit was boring, but you guys get it. Like these shoes, this is such a fun color combo. Especially with like a dress like this, I don't really wanna add a necklace because that just doesn't work. Can we fix this hair? Maybe I do want my hair down with this second look, because the first one was just trying to be like a little bit more simple, and this looks a little bit more fun. I just like love how the burgundy, like these 3 colors together look really good to me. I also have my little clutch though. I mean, either one is like pretty fancy. We'll do the clutch. Just feels a little bit more nighttime. I think that's it. Like maybe if I had some bangles or something, or we could do, you know, like putting a necklace on your wrist. I don't like it. I'm not good at being extra like that. I can just imagine Adrian watching this video, Adriama. I don't know if she watches my videos. I feel like she'd be like, Lainey, that's so simple and then her outfits are like so extra, but maybe some of us are just born to be extra and some aren't. I'm like a very in-between, I would call it. Okay, here's the second outfit. It still feels simple. Like, what could I do to make it a little more, I don't want to just like put stuff on and make it ugly, you know? That's not my intention. So these are actually like shoe accessories. You can put this one around like the instep of your foot, and this one kind of like hooks on your heels. Maybe let's do that. I don't know if I want the gold or the silver. Have grommets already on them. From 7 or 9 is the brand. They like don't go on these shoes, but these shoes have little grommets where it would be easy to add them. I think that's really pretty. Or this one. They're both fun, but I think the smaller chain looks better. See, I'm just not a kooky person. Kooky. But I'm trying for this video. And when you're like, it didn't need that, I know it didn't. But it doesn't look bad with it, and that's all I'm trying to do. Like, add things, but not to a negative point. Oh my God. We could do like a hair accessory. Like, I don't have a hair accessory. Okay, this is the outfit. Here we go. A little bit more extra, but like still tame for a wedding look. Okay, those are all my outfits and scenarios. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments. What do you think looks better? An outfit that's doing a little bit too much, or an outfit that's a little bit more simple? You can also just let me know in the comments each outfit, because I think there's some scenarios where doing too much looks good, and there's some scenarios where being a little bit more tame looks better. So I just want to know what you guys think. Before we end this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to Squarespace. If you guys haven't heard of Squarespace before, I'm gonna talk a little bit about them here. Squarespace makes making your website insanely easy. I have used Squarespace throughout the years. In every stage of my life, I've used it for an online portfolio when job hunting in college. I've used it for a blog when video making didn't feel quite right. And I've used it most recently as an online store for my custom baby tees I make with my boyfriend. I always talk about using Squarespace as an online store, but I want to take it back to the beginning when actually creating your website. It is so easy. The custom template, the plugging in your content, there's really no easier way to make a website perfect for you. My dad recently had to update his website, and he switched over to Squarespace and was kind of asking me some questions about the whole process, and it was just really cool to see that firsthand experience again. Like I said, you can use your Squarespace for selling things online, whether it's a physical, digital, or service products. Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. And with that, they have flexible payment options, making checkout seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools, accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and offer customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. And something so important with websites is understanding the analytics. Squarespace makes it so easy, so you don't need a college degree to do it. Analytics are super helpful when trying to grow your business. Learn where your site's sales and visits are coming from, analyze which channels are most effective, improve your website, and build a marketing strategy based on top keywords for most popular products and content. If any of this sounds enticing to you, you can use the link in the description box or go to squarespace.com/LanieOzark and get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.